friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making swai fish in the air fryer. So what we need is swai fish fillets. You're going to use either fresh or frozen. This one is frozen. If it's frozen, there is no need to defrost. The air fryer can cook it straight from frozen. I also have seasonings. So I'm using salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and you can use any seasonings you like. And I have a non-stick cooking spray just to make sure it doesn't stick to the air fryer. So the first step would be to take out the air fryer basket and spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. And as an alternative to spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil. And now I'm going to open up a package of frozen swai fish. So if you're making it from fresh, the instructions are the same, just reduce the cooking time by 5 minutes for fresh. So for frozen, we'll just put it in. So if it doesn't fit perfectly, it will shrink as it cooks, that's okay. Well, for now, actually fit it. And I will season it later because seasonings don't stick very well to frozen fish. So if it's not frozen, you can season it right away. And now I'm going to put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. So now the fish is defrosted, so I'm going to sprinkle it with seasonings. And I'm going to carefully flip it over. And now I will season the other side. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious swai fish. It's perfectly cooked. Now, if you can always check the internal temperature to make sure it's cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's fully cooked. This is a very thin fillet, so it cooked quickly. So, if it's thicker, it takes longer, so just always check. If your fish is not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 2 to 3 minutes and check again. So the cooking time really depends on the thickness of the fish. So this one is ready. Let me put it out of the air fryer. Delicious fish. It looks amazing. So easy to make, healthy and delicious. Now I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Let me just show you that it's perfectly cooked. It's flakes so easily. So tender. Delicious fish. You will love it. For a repeatable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!